him. Yeah. This is so sick. Wow, that is awesome, dude. That is so sick, dude. I love the decoration of his house. All this stuff.
We ended up getting this at
Is
this.
that-
This is a kitchen cabinet that I modified.
And then, like all this,
Yeah, I just grabbed all that wood stuff from like pet stores and stuff.
Every little.
dude, that is like next level comfort. That looks really comfortable.
Right?
You know, that's a really nice house. For it's amazing.
He's like, yeah, well, I'd rather be out walking around right now.
The name of this is a bearded.
Bearded dragon, yeah.
Yeah, dude.
His name's Poe.
Look at that texture, dude. That's like art right there, dude. Look
Yeah,
at
for
that.
sure.
He's like
So sick, dude.
hanging out.
So sick. Yeah. And he's so and he's chilling. He's
Oh,
not
yeah.
even he's not even shy,
No, he's chill.
dude. Amazing. The other one.